My dear brothers and sisters, we are now on the first Friday of the month, and how blessed are we that as we celebrate this day and spend this day, we celebrate the feast, the solemnity of the most sacred heart of Jesus. Let us admit that at least sometimes our patience, understanding, and even kindness were cut short or cut off. Hindi lang po umiikli, minsan nawawala pa. Whenever we would face miserable people, naughty people, or even stubborn people. Mamin po tayo. Maiinis tayo at minsan hindi din po natin mapigilan yung mga kamay nating gumawa ng mga ikapapahamak ng tao. Mapapasigaw tayo at minsan makakabitiw tayo ng mga masasamang salita sa iba. But at some moments, dumaan po ba tayo or have we been into that experience that we have to step back and say to ourselves, teka, gagawin ko ba yon? Mukhang mali yung nasabi ko. May mabibitawan akong masakit. Kailangan ko pang gawin. Mukhang wag na lang. Imbis na bitawan ko yon, magpasensya na lang ako. Iintindi ako, makikinig ako, susunod ako. Hahanapin ko na lang o haharapin ko na lang sa dapat at tamang pamamaraan yung nangyaring ito. Our first reading taken from the prophecy or from the book of the prophet Hosea would at least tell us a beautiful story about the Lord and the Israelites. God was in blazing anger for Israel. Because ano po ba ang ginawa ng mga taga-Israel? Although we have not heard it, the second verse of the chapter 11 of the prophet Hosea would at least tell us that they sacrificed to Baals, they burned incense for carved images. Ayaw po nilang magbalik loob nung sinabihan silang mali yung ginagawa nila. They ate too much of their pride that they no longer love their God. Pwede at maaari namang ibuga ng Diyos ang kanyang galit sa mga ito. Pero ang sabi niya, Diyos ako at hindi tao. Anak ko to eh. Imbis na pagalitan ko, mamahalin ko na lang. And at the cross, our gospel today, with all the spit, the shout, and even the bad words that the Lord might have heard during that time, baka ang tumatakbo na din sa puso ni Jesus habang siya ay nakabayubay sa krus. Diyos ako at hindi tao. And when the soldier thrust his lance, blood and water flowed out. Not a blazing anger, but burning love. Ito po yung pusong ipinagdiriwang po natin, mga kapatid. Puso na hindi galit ang handang ibuga, pero puso na walang patid na pag-ibig ang kayang ibigay. In times that we are tempted to shout at others, hurt others, or even curse others, remember that once God blazed in anger, with anger, but placed those aside, telling himself, I am not man, but I am God. What he knows that we all need is not blazing anger, but a love that will make us happy and blessed once again. Once the Lord felt bad about what they did, but His heart loved them nevertheless. Marahil nagtampo, nagalit, sumama ang loob ng Diyos, pero hindi gumanti ng sama ng loob ang Diyos. Because He loved them so much, it was not blazing anger that came out. It was burning love that He gave. And to all of us, my dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate this great solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, let us remind ourselves that He loves us so much. And that is why it won't be blazing anger that will come out. He will definitely give a burning heart that loves so much.